It's the moment you've been waiting for. We're going to put hands together on the chorus of Gethsemane. It's going to be challenging, but it's going to have a big payoff. Let's dive in. First, I'll demo for you what it sounds like. Gethsemane, Jesus loves me, so he went willingly to Gethsemane. So the first phrase in the right hand and the first phrase in the left hand is boomerang. They go together like this. Gethsemane. One more time. Gethsemane. And then we have phrase 2 in the right hand. And the left hand, still boomerang. They'll go together like this. Jesus loves me. One more time. Jesus loves me. Now we have phrase 3 in the right hand. Left hand is the roller coaster. They'll go together like this. So he went willingly. Again. So he went willingly. This one's tricky. Let's do it a third time. So he went willingly. Last, we move the right hand down to C position so we can do our fourth phrase. And the left hand does that small little hill from bottom to middle. They'll go together like this. To Gethsemane. One more time. To Gethsemane. And the last time. To Gethsemane. Let's do it all the way through, nice and slow. Gethsemane, Jesus loves me, so he went willingly to Gethsemane. You made it! Nice job! This is such a beautiful song, and I'm so glad that you got to learn the chorus with me today.